Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and my name is Romeza. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today's video is about, I'm going to show you what I got from FabFitFun. It's an edit sale. So I got this stuff after winter 2019 box, and I'm very excited because few of them are like, actually they were very expensive, the actual prices, but I got it very good deal. So I'm just gonna show you everything one by one. So first thing, I'll show you this here. I paid only $7, I believe, or $9, and I got this full-size nail treatment. So this is from Julep, Julep, Julep. And yeah, this is base coat and a treatment. Yeah, that's what it is. And this, I think it's a shade, a color or something. Take a breather, nail treatment. Yeah, so these three full-size products I got in like $9, I believe. Oh, it's not like, actually it's not, oh, nothing is like small things are over $15, but that's what I got. If I can find the prices again, I would definitely link them, mention them in the description box. So this is that, and then I got a very pretty necklace. So I took this necklace out like 10 times, and then I again added it. I'm like, I don't know, I just feel like having them. So it was only one necklace. I was expecting it to be like a little thicker, but this is very elegant. It's very elegant. And it, oh wow, come on. Yeah, it's very pretty, very elegant. Like, wow, her star, moon. It's actually pretty, I like it. And then I got this. Okay, this is a Skin Owl. It's got glow stick. I'm very excited about this one because I do like skincare products, and especially this type of things, like rollers and all that. I'm not sure how, okay, how we gonna open this? Do I have to, okay, I think I need yeah. So actual price of this was 89, I believe, US dollars, and I got it for like 19. I think I didn't pay more than $20 for this. Oh, so you can use it for different parts. Wow. Face, neck, and like rest of the body. It comes with the pouch. I like things which comes in pouch because it's really easy to keep them. Like, wow, what is this? Oh, that's nice. I'm pretty excited. I don't know. Let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, I will use it and I will tell you exactly how. I will tell you if it works for me. Like, I'm not sure, but I heard very good stuff about this specific product. So let's see. Then I got a battery power. Okay, I've been looking for a battery power like for a long time. I had one from Mophie, and like I don't know, I just stopped working. It doesn't work for me. I don't use anyway like from all day. Like my phone is quite heavy duty, and I don't use my phone very often because of my job. But still, like, you know, when you're traveling, you have to have something. So I'm planning to travel in next few months, so like, you know, it's good to keep something. Wow. So it comes, oh, it has a flash feature, I believe. That's what attracted me. It has a flashlight and USB and then all these things. It's actually kind of cute. Acha. And then I have something here. It's also nail treatment plus lip balm. I love lip balms and nail treatment things because my nails are like, I don't know why they are so insanely dry. My, cuticles. And yeah, I don't know what to say about them. So this is NCLA So Rich. That's what it is. And I don't know. I will try this and I will mention how it works and is it worth fine or not. It comes as dual. Like the lip balm. I'm excited to try about this. This is peppermint mocha. Wow. Come on. Oh, okay. It's a quite decent size. Well, it smells like coffee shop, when you go to a coffee or bakery or something. It looks thick, but it supplies smoothly. It's nice. It's good. Then I have this headset mount. I'm quite excited about this because this really comes in handy because I travel with my daughter and she liked watching her stuff, cartoons and all that on iPad. So I think it's gonna help me. Oh, this thing is honestly one of my things I'm really excited to try. It's a Bluetooth Twin 60 drivers or whatever, sound and purpose. It's speakers. They were expensive, like 150 something, and I got it for like 39. Oh, nice. And it is nice. This is very slim. So I like the look of the, wow. It's nice. Nice and sturdy. It comes with this stand and these wires and this thing. Okay, I will try this for sure, and I will give you a review about this as well. And last but not least, from this edit sale, I got this blanket. This is the Snuggie double as a pillow. So this is honestly like very smooth. Not sponsored, but of course, like I have to tell you exactly what I got. To give you an idea, if you see these things in edit sale, I would recommend you can consider them as, you can buy them. You can keep them for your travel time. Like, I really like this one. It is soft, it is nice, and very like, small packing. Because I do have to carry blanket. I don't like blankets what airplane gave us all the time. Like I'm not happy with them. So my daughter actually, she likes to keep her blanket. I like to keep my blanket. So we are a little. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice blanket. Okay, I like it. I like it so far. It's good. Let's see when I will travel with this. Is it going to work for me, or how happy I will be after using this? Hopefully. So yeah, these are the things that I have got recently from my FabFitFun Edit Sale. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.